If brushing still leaves food stuck between your teeth or around braces and gums, a good water flosser can make daily cleaning much easier. Today we're counting down 5 of the best water flossers for 2026, from affordable portable picks to the best overall option. Keep these 3 things in mind before buying. Tip 1. Performance. Choose adjustable pressure for effective, comfortable cleaning. Tip 2. Usability. Pick a cordless model with an easy fill tank. Tip 3. Value and safety. Look for waterproofing, reliable charging, and durable tips. Now, let's get into the list. Starting off at number 5, we have the YaFex Portable Water Flosser. If you want a water flosser that won't take up much room in your travel bag, the YaFex is a practical place to start. Setup is relatively simple. You unscrew the top, extend the stainless steel water tube, and fill the reservoir. Once assembled, the 360-degree rotatable tip helps reach difficult areas. The DIY mode allows you to fine-tune the pressure from 10 up to 120 psi. It includes standard normal, soft, and pulse settings. The animation demonstrates its effectiveness for both standard cleaning and orthodontic appliances. It has an IPX7 waterproof rating, so shower use is perfectly fine. Charging takes about 4 hours, yielding a respectable 20 to 25 days of usage. A convenient feature is the internal storage for the tip. This design choice makes it very compact and easy to pack into its travel case for trips. But for travelers, office use, or anyone who values compact storage, the YaFex earns its number 5 spot as a convenient portable option. Coming in at number 4 is the MySmile Oral Irrigator. A strong choice if you want more control and smart features without moving to a countertop flosser. This is the MySmile Oral Irrigator. It's designed to be a portable and straightforward solution for your daily oral hygiene routine. It features a detachable 350 milliliter water tank. This design allows for easy filling and cleaning, providing enough capacity for continuous flossing. The device includes an LED display and offers 5 different pressure settings. These modes range from a gentle wash for sensitive gums to a stronger pulse for deep cleaning. A 5-hour charge provides 15 to 20 days of use. USB charging offers the flexibility to power up via a laptop, power bank, or car. It comes with 8 interchangeable tips and features a 360-degree rotatable nozzle, making it easier to maneuver and reach difficult areas in your mouth. The targeted water stream is effective for general plaque removal and is particularly useful for cleaning around braces and dental implants. With its compact design and included travel bag, it's a practical option for maintaining dental care at home or while traveling. Coming in at number 3 is the Ontel Miracle Smile. This one stands out because it takes a very different approach to water flossing. A water flosser designed to streamline your oral care routine. It aims to clean and floss simultaneously. Its unique H-shaped head features 4 targeted water jets. This design is intended to clean the top, bottom, front, and back of your teeth, including below the gum line, all in one pass. For those who struggle with traditional string flossing, this offers a more convenient alternative. It can help remove plaque and is particularly useful for those with braces, veneers, or tightly spaced teeth. The device is compact, cordless, and water-resistant for use in the shower. With 3 adjustable pressure settings, high, medium, and sensitive, you can customize the experience to suit your comfort level. At number 2, the Nickwell Water Dental Flosser is a strong value pick if you want plenty of control without paying for a premium model. A straightforward device designed to elevate your daily oral hygiene. Its cordless build means you can easily take it anywhere, from your bathroom to your travel bag. The straightforward 2-button layout lets you quickly toggle between 4 dedicated cleaning modes. It features an ergonomic, non-slip back and boasts a waterproof design, making it perfectly safe for shower use. To begin, select your preferred mode. It's best to start with the lowest pressure setting to let your gums adjust. Choose the tip that fits your specific needs, and just click it right into the top of the handle. Fill the water reservoir with warm water, then lean over the sink and position the tip in your mouth. For optimal results, aim the tip right at the gum line. Start from the back teeth and glide along the gums to clear away debris. A consistent routine can leave your mouth feeling noticeably cleaner and fresher. The package includes the flosser, multiple specialized tips, and a charging cable, providing a solid setup for at-home dental care. Coming in at number 1 is the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Portable Water Flosser. Its cordless design makes it highly portable, and the waterproof build means you can safely use it in the shower, which is a nice convenience. Getting started requires a 4-hour charge using the included magnetic charger. It attaches easily to the front of the unit. Next, fill the reservoir with warm water. Select your preferred tip and click it into place. The variety of included tips is a strong point for different dental needs. Always start on the lowest pressure setting. Lean over the sink, place the tip in your mouth, and turn the unit on. Keep your lips partially closed to avoid splashing, but let the water flow out freely. Aim the stream directly at the gum line, starting from the back teeth. Move steadily, pausing briefly between each tooth. The whole process is designed to take about 1 minute a day. When you're finished, simply press the eject button to remove and clean the tip. Waterpik claims it removes up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas and is significantly more effective than traditional floss. While individual results vary, it remains a solid, efficient tool for improving oral hygiene. So those are best top 5 water flossers for 2026. Check the links below for current prices and availability. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching Gadget Flow.